Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make a simple landscape in watercolors. So let's get started. Here I am using a plain white sheet. First of all I will sketch. Make sure to use a very light pencil for your sketch. Just make simple lines that will be helpful. Dries. So wait for it. You can see the cloudy effects. You can even add layers later. So here it's revert. So first I'm using just a lighter color. It's just water resistant. Then we put on colors. We will paint the whole lake accordingly. Then we will move to the greenery part. structure of the tree, and here we have used black color. So simply we have done the landscape in black color, or you can say in monochromatic way. So you can see like we have almost done the layering, and we have also drawn these stems. Now we are going to make a very good cherry blossom tree, and other details can be done accordingly. So let's get started.